In today's video, I'm going to show you how to copy and paste an email in Outlook. More specifically, I'll show you how to copy the contents of one email and paste it into another email message. This is a very useful feature when you want to share information quickly without changing the original formatting. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Outlook. If you are not already signed in, click on the Sign In button and enter your Outlook email address and password. After entering your details, click on Next and wait for Outlook to load your mailbox. If you use two-step verification, complete the verification process to continue. Once you're inside Outlook, you'll arrive at your inbox. This is where all your received emails are stored. Take a moment to scroll through your inbox and find the email you want to copy. When you find the email, click on it to open it fully. This allows you to view the complete message contents, including text, links, and formatting. Now to copy the email contents, click and drag your mouse over the text you want to copy so it becomes highlighted. After highlighting the text, right-click on it and choose Copy from the menu that appears. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl and C on Windows or Command and C on Mac. This is usually the fastest and easiest method. Once the email content has been copied, go to the upper left corner of Outlook and click on New Mail or New Message. This will open a blank email draft where you can paste the copied content. Inside the new email window, click in the body section where you normally type your message. Then right-click and select Paste. You can also press Ctrl and V on Windows or Command and V on Mac to paste instantly. As soon as you paste it, the copied email content will appear inside your new message. In many cases, Outlook will also keep the original formatting, including spacing, links, and text layout, which makes the information easier to read. Now you can type an additional message above or below the pasted content if needed. For example, you might want to explain why you are sending the information or include extra instructions for the recipient. Next, move to the To field and enter the email address of the person you want to send the message to. You should also add a clear subject line so the recipient understands what the email is about before opening it. Before clicking Send, take a moment to review the message carefully. Make sure the copied content looks correct, the formatting appears normal, and the recipient's email address is entered correctly. If needed, you can still edit the pasted text before sending the email. One useful thing about this method is that it helps save time because you don't have to rewrite important information manually. It's especially helpful for work emails, school projects, customer support replies, or sharing instructions with a team. Another helpful tip is that you do not need to copy the entire email. You can simply highlight and copy only the specific section you need, which keeps your message shorter and more organized. And that's it. Now you know how to copy and paste an email in Outlook quickly and easily. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more simple tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.